Chanela. Today I got this big deal box and we're gonna open this. Let's open this ribbon. I can't open this. How can I open this? Please! I can't. Oh, I can. And there. And please, wow. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. It's pretty. Huh? And do you like this bag? Do you think it's nice? I wish you say it was nice. Please can you tell me it's nice, this bag? And do you want to look at the back? Look. Ta-da! It turns into another bag. One bag, two bags. The two bags.